What's up, Tim Sykes here in Singapore. Look at my view from my suite. This is ridiculous. All of Singapore down there, and it's just beautiful. I'm here actually, I don't even know where to look. I'm doing this iPhone thing, sorry. I'm here on some meetings with my charity. We have several new schools. I'm actually heading to Australia to help save the reef in a few days, so I'm excited about that. There's so many organizations, so many causes I can't help but want to help. I have the money, I have the resources, I have the network, I have the connections, so frankly, it falls upon me. And I feel guilty not trying to help save the reef or help save a lot of these animals or help save a lot of these kids from lives of poverty. And I want to help you too. Even while I'm here with this view, I'm not just doing meetings and doing charity, I'm also trading and teaching. I do a lot. I am one of the hardest working people you will ever meet. And this past week, I think, has been the best week in the past few months. There are so many small, low-price stocks moving, especially in OTC land, SHMP, BCCI, TVOG. There's just, it's actually kind of insane right now. If you've been following along, if you've been using my watch list or trade alerts, you know, I made like 30% on BCCI the other day. It spiked 100% in a day. I dip bought SHMP. I made like 15, 20%. It bounced 50% plus. So I'm taking like a third of the potential profit. So a lot of people ask me like, Tim, aren't you concerned like if too many people learn your strategies, like they're not going to be, you know, working anymore? There's going to be too many people. In 10 plus years of teaching with me yelling at the top of my lungs pretty much every day, I have a few hundred lousy dedicated students. Not lousy, but it blows my mind that I only have a few hundred people. And then also, you have to remember, a lot of my top students like short selling. Mike Huddy, who's one of my newest six-figure students, you know, was banking shorting the green to red move on SHMP the same day and the same hour that I was dip buying the panic. We each made a few $1,000s. I think he made like 4,000, I made 4,000. So you can make money on the short side and the long side, whether you like dip buying, whether you like shorting, whether you like buying breakouts. There's opportunity galore. And frankly, I wish that I could stop these patterns in their tracks by teaching so many people that it would no longer work, because then I would theoretically get fantastically rich from teaching everybody, and then I wouldn't have to trade anymore. But instead, I have gotten richer from teaching everybody, but the patterns still exist. It doesn't matter how many students there are. Most people just want hot picks. And then there's an equal, I think, amount of short sellers and then buyers too. So we've basically just, you know, made the market bigger and more volatile, which, you know, brokers are happy about, even though brokers aren't happy that I teach patience and I teach people to wait for the right trades. Sorry, brokers, I gotta be real, I gotta be honest. So it's been an interesting ride teaching while traveling and trading, and I'm just so grateful. You know, I sit here, or I stand here, my arm is getting tired. I'm just grateful to all of you guys who want to learn. My arm really hurts. This iPhone thing is tough. I got to get like a selfie stick or something. But I just wanted to take a minute to thank you for your dedication, because I know this is weird. I know that there's many scams and fakes and newbies who are teaching. I'm real. And that's why I like doing videos like this, because you guys seem to like this handheld stuff, so that you see that, oh, I am in Singapore. Oh, it's not a green screen. Oh, I actually can trade from anywhere. Oh, I actually have just one laptop, which is sitting right over there. People seem to think that they can't do this from anywhere. They think that they need multiple laptops or multiple screens in an office, and they need to like train like an athlete, and they can't have fun. Like, I am feeling like death a lot of the time here in Asia. I'm not going to lie to you, because the time zone, the stock market is open here at night, and then all day I'm doing charity work, so it doesn't leave a lot of time for sleep. So it's not ideal for me, but at the same time, I love it. You know, I'm following my heart. I'm traveling, I'm doing charity, I'm teaching, and when the plays exist, I'm profiting. This is a very, very big difference from the past few weeks, where I said there's really not any hot sector, there's nothing really moving, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 OTCs every single day going up 100, 200, 300, 500%, even like 1,000%. Like it's mania again, and I love it. I love the volatility. So leave a comment just below this video if you like the volatility, if you like these iPhone videos, if you like views like this. I'm always looking for more feedback, because I want to inspire you to study. I want to help you see that this is real, because it's going to take a lot of time and energy to go through this. So you need to have the right mindset, the right perspective. It's not just about hot picks. It's not just about, beautiful views. Like, I'm not like selling you the dream. I'm living the dream, okay? And I'm teaching. So I don't like the fact that so many people did not profit enough on SHMP or BCCI or any of the other, low-priced weed stocks and CBD stocks, NGTF, ALYI. There's so many. I can't even think about it right now. It's kind of crazy. But let the good times roll. Take advantage of the plays when they come about, and leave a comment. Let's get the conversation going. It's all about being real and being honest with yourself and being honest with me. That way I can help you more.
Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.